Did you know that TurboTax offers several self-service options to help you quickly find answers to your questions? Our support site provides a wealth of information about our products and taxes in general. In the Help Articles section, you'll find help articles written by our TurboTax team. While the forum is the place to post questions or answer other users' questions, we suggest that you start by browsing our help articles, which we have categorized to help you find what you're looking for. If you have a specific question, you can type it in the search bar, and our search engine will offer a variety of related topics that have been covered in either section. Once you click on an article, you'll see if it's written by TurboTax writers, customers, or moderators once you click on that article. If you have answers to some of our users' questions, why not become a contributor and provide a reply? We have moderators who answer questions and monitor public posts to ensure that the answers are correct. So go ahead and browse our site, post your questions, jump in a conversation with other TurboTax customers, and get answers to your tax questions.